welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this summer sunset eye look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe before you leave so that way you don't miss any future videos. Also make sure to hit the little notification bell so that YouTube notifies you guys whenever I upload, and that way you're the first ones to watch my videos. Leave a comment down below letting me know what's your favorite part of summer. I want to know. Mine are the sunsets because they're always so gorgeous, and the eye look actually was inspired by a sunset look. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Our eyes, we're priming using Maryliirg paint pot like always. I am using two palettes, the Kristen Dominique palette and the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to use this cream yellow banana powder or shade in vanilla cream, applying it all over my eye for that base. And I'm using the shade Caramel and applying this onto my crease and working it all the way upwards. This will be the first transition shade. I'm grabbing the Morphe 35B palette. I'm using this yellow shade, and that's the first bright color we're going to start applying right here. And it will be on the inner corner section of our eyes. The next shadow we're going in will be this nice orangey shade right here, and applying this all onto the rest of my eye. Yeah, we're going there. Once I got that, I'm gonna deepen up the look a little bit and use Pumpkin Spice in the Dominique Cosmetics palette and a really nice blending brush from Morphe, and apply it right where that ends and begin blending it out to deepen up the crease. What I'm gonna do is add this very bright purpley pinky shadow right on top of the orange. I'm going to grab this darker purple shade and do the same thing. Next, I'm grabbing Double Shot on a little pencil brush and applying it underneath my lash line right at the edge. I'm adding this orange shade back underneath that shade to get it going with the same effect. And last but not least, make sure that I get the yellow all the way in here, mixing and blending in with the other shades. For my eyebrows, I'm going to pass from my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, you know, the usual, and just go in with a powder. And for the pop of color underneath my eyebrows, I'm using Macchiato from Kristen Dominique's palette. And I want to pop a little bit more in my eyes, so I'm going to apply this right on top of the yellow to make that a little bit more blending. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Lily Lashes in Mykonos. I like calling it like that. Maybe it's not like that, but it's Mykonos. It's Mykonos for me. For my lips, I'm gonna use a mix of two lip liners. I'm using the Morphe in High Maintenance and the Loris C. I'm gonna line and fill in the majority of my lips with the orangey shade. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bright sunset summer look. If you guys did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so that way you don't miss any future videos, and make sure to turn on that little notification bell so it notifies you whenever I do upload. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever it is, and I will see you all on my next video. Do you see that? I thought you were upstairs. Oh my god. Why? Just because I'm wearing foundation, you can't see that I got so red. I'm sweating right now.